Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to machine polish the Audi and give it a good clean in and out. Okay, so we're getting very close to the end with this Audi now. Now this is the corner that was damaged. All looking great. All the lines match up perfect, all the body lines. Yeah. All the bumper look good, all lined up. Nice new wing. Got the sill cover all fixed. We still need the new wheel. Should be able to hear her. Purring away. On the inside we've got the new steering wheel airbag done, dashboard's complete, all the new belts in. So yeah, today, now we're going to give it a good polish. Well, first of all we're going to wash it, and then we're going to give it a good polish because this paint has got a lot of swirl marks in it and there is some scratches, so we're going to get the machine polisher out, polish it, and then give it a wax. And be almost done with this car then. Okay, let's give it a good wash. Okay, so we've got a nice, clean, dry car. Now, the reason we're polishing this car is because it's got a lot of swirl marks in it. I don't know if you can tell really on the camera. Go over here. There's plenty of scratches. And there, look at that. There's lots of swirl marks, lots of scratches on this car. There's some deeper scratches. You don't even need the torch to see that. So just going to do the best we can with them. You can just feel that one. There's some more there. Now you can't feel them, so they should come out. Not there. So yeah, plenty of scratches. Over this side, a little more. You can't feel any of them with my nails, so they all should come out fine. Okay, so to wash the car I used G-Tech foam and then the G-Tech car wash. But to polish the car I'm going to use the Maguire's range. Now that's because I watched a very helpful video on YouTube done by Maguire's UK titled Detailing 101, because I've never detailed the car before, so I watched their video. It's very helpful, and that's why I've gone with this gear. So we've got the MT320 dual action polisher, the ultimate compound, ultimate polish, ultimate liquid wax to finish, and the 3 buffing pads. So I'm going to mask off of a little section of this bonnet first, probably around here, and go straight in and have a go at these good scratches and see what happens. Right, so that ultimate compound isn't getting me anywhere on this black paint, because it's really hard paint to polish. So I've been out and bought some of this, and we're going to go again on this side this time, and hopefully them scratches, I can't feel them with my nail, see if this G3 regular grade compound will do anything with these. Let's have a go. Okay, so I've done the whole bonnet now with the cutting compound, the G3 regular grade, and it has made a massive difference. You can, it's hard to tell, but you can just about see that scratch, but it was far worse than that. The swirls are out, so now I'm going to go to the next step. I'm going to take away the cutting disc, the abrasive one. I'm going to swap it out for the less abrasive one, the yellow one. And we're going to polish the bonnet with ultimate polish. Okay, so prep the pad again, a little bit less material than the ultimate. I'm going to do half a bonnet at a time with this. I'll just spread it out quickly. And I'm going to polish. Okay, so I've polished half the bonnet, And it does look very good. It's obviously not perfect, but there was a hell of a lot of swirls in this paint. And I think for a first effort, I don't think I've done bad there. It's really hard to tell, really. No. Perhaps it needs another pass, but if you look there, how bad that is. How bad that paint is there. That's bad. You come to here and it's so much better. Perhaps he wants another pass for that polish. Right, when I polished it, I wasn't 100% happy with there were still some very fine swirls, so what I've done is, I've got the yellow pad off and I've gone with the black, the finest of the pads, the finishing pads, and I've gone over the polisher again. And, you know, to me, that is incredible. I can't see any swirls, maybe an odd little one or two, but black paint, I'm really impressed with that. I'm really happy with how that's gone. So I'm going to do the rest of the bonnet now with the black pad instead of the yellow pad and see how it comes out. Right, so this bonnet has had the full 3-stage treatment. It's had the GT regular grade coating compound applied. It's had the ultimate polish by Maguire's. Alright. And it has had the ultimate liquid wax. And I'm pretty happy with the results, to be honest. It looks amazing compared to what it looked like before. What we'll do is we'll run it outside and have a look at it in the actual daylight, see what it looks like there. Yeah. Let's check out that finish now. That's actually incredible how good that looks. It's amazing. There's nothing to be seen out here. A bit of polish still there. Still a bit dusty over there, but that's incredible. That's what I need to do now, the rest of the car. And if the rest of it comes up like that, I'll be very happy. Even compare it to anything. Dull scratched, bright and polished, no scratches. Check out that reflection. I'm not sure how well this shows up on the camera, but where I've compounded, the paint is so much brighter than it is. So the difference there from there to there, this is compounded, this is untouched. How dull that is to how bright that is. Not sure if you can tell on the camera, but it's making a massive difference. Before compound. After compound. Same section again after liquid polishing. And it's getting better and better. It's got 1 coat of liquid wax to go on there, and that door's complete. And the final stage, liquid waxed. All finished. Massive difference. Now there we go. All finished. Just needs a bit of a wash now to get rid of all the rest of the polishing dust off it. But you know, I'm very pleased with that result. A couple of bits want to touch up with a touch-up pen yet. Them 2 bits there. But, you know, the small marks have all come out really well. Look at that. Really good. So yeah, one last wash, change the wheel, and the car's finished. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's video. I won't say it's easy. You know, for a first attempt at detailing, I think I've done okay. It's not as good as a professional detailer would get. I'm the first to admit that, but for a first go, like I said, I'm pretty happy with the results. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please do subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.